Are you a small investor looking for safe harbor investments to protect your hard-earned money? In this video, I'll be sharing some great options with you. First off, let's talk about the importance of safe harbor investments for small investors like yourself. These investments are designed to provide stability and security, even in uncertain economic times. One such option is government bonds, which are considered low-risk investments backed by the government. Government bonds generally include a commitment to pay periodic interest, and to repay the face value on the maturity date. Another safe harbor investment is a certificate of deposit, or CD, which offers a fixed interest rate and a specific maturity date. For those looking for a higher return, but still want some level of safety, blue-chip stocks are a good option. A blue-chip stock is stock issued by a large, well-established, financially sound company with an excellent reputation. Blue chips are considered safe investments due to their long-standing financial stability. Diversifying your portfolio with index funds can also be a smart move for small investors. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, with a portfolio constructed to match or track the components of a financial market index, such as the Standard & Poor's 500 Index, S&P 500. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, can provide consistent income and potential capital appreciation. A real estate investment trust, REIT, is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estate. With a pool of capital from numerous investors, REITs generate a steady income stream. This makes it possible for individual investors to earn dividends from real estate investments without having to buy, manage, or finance any properties themselves. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can consider investing in mutual funds, which are managed by professionals. A mutual fund is an investment fund that pools money from many investors to purchase securities. Annuities, which are insurance contracts, can be another safe harbor investment option for small investors. For those who want to be involved in sustainable investments, socially responsible funds are a great choice. Socially responsible mutual funds hold securities in companies that adhere to certain social, moral, religious, or environmental beliefs. When looking for safe harbor investments, it's important to thoroughly research and understand each option. Consider the risks and potential returns, as well as any associated fees or charges. Diversification is key to reducing risk, so spread your investments across different asset classes. Remember to define your investment goals and align them with the appropriate safe harbor investments. It's also crucial to consider your timeline and liquidity needs before making any investment decisions. Keep in mind that even safe harbor investments come with some level of risk, so always be cautious. Consult with a financial advisor to get personalized advice tailored to your specific situation. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators that may affect your chosen safe harbor investments. Finally, regularly review and reassess your investments to ensure they still align with your goals and risk tolerance. In conclusion, there are several safe harbor investments available for small investors like yourself. By diversifying and doing thorough research, you can protect your money and achieve your financial goals.